Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to a teaser of an upcoming Kannada film. This is 777 Charlie. It stars Rakshit Shetty and it has been produced by Paramva Studios. Now, when it popped up in my recommendation, oh my god, just looking at the thumbnail is only making me so happy because it has a picture of this beautiful dog. So I'm guessing that Charlie is the name of this dog. But yeah, it's a 2-minute teaser. It's a fairly long duration, for a teaser. So let's see what this is about, and I'm really excited to check this teaser out. And yeah, let's see. This doesn't have any subtitles, so I don't know. Probably won't be able to understand the dialogues in it. But okay, no problem. That's adorable.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈಗ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿ
It's a bitch.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯ ನಿಜ ನನದಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗೋ ಬೀದಿ ಅಲೆಯೋ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ನೆರಳು ಸಿಗುವ ತನಕ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಮನದ ಚಿಲಕ ಬೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲ ಮೃದು ಹಗಲು ಭೂಮಿನ ತಾಕಿ ಸಿಗುವರು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿಯದ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವರು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವರು ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿಯದ ಊರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆಯ ಪಯಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ತೆರಳು ಸಿಗುವ ತನಕ ತೆರೆದ ಮನದ ಚಿಲಕ
Charlie meets Dharma. An adventure when Charlie meets Dharma. Ooh. Okay, so the dog's name is Dharma. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is a great teaser. I love this teaser. It is already so heartwarming and so beautiful. It just puts you in such a great mood. The music used, the song which was playing was so, I don't know, it had such positive, happy vibes. Just fantastic. And it's going to be such a heartwarming, beautiful, emotional watch. Oh man. I loved it. I loved it. Fantastic. I'm so intrigued to know the plot of the story. Let me stop this. I freaking loved it. Let me see if they have given anything. No. Oh, there is already one song out. This is the song Life of Charlie. This is the song I'm guessing. Because listen to 777 Charlie, Life of Charlie. Okay, so I'm guessing they have already released this song. Fantastic. I am so happy. Firstly, the thumbnail made me so happy, and looking at the visuals, it was just so heartwarming and adorable. And I'm really intrigued because at the end when it says like an adventure begins when Charlie meets Dharma. So of course the guy's character is Charlie. The titular character played by Rakshit Shetty is Charlie, and I don't know, maybe Charlie looks like, because he says that okay, shh, don't tell anyone that there is a puppy that I am adopting, sort of like, maybe, I don't know. I think the puppy is like, Dharma is more attracted and sort of finds Charlie as a good owner and some sort of like a caretaker and gravitates towards Charlie. And he is initially a little skeptical that okay, I do not like pets and I'm not really fond of pets, because that's the expression what was it was suggesting to me. But then eventually he gives up, like chalo theek hai, I'll take care of you, fine, I'll take care of you. I don't know, and what all sort of adventures they have. It's gonna be a very funny roller coaster as well as an emotional roller coaster. I just, oh man, I just hope they have come out with a really good plot point and storyline. I mean, looking at this only, I have certain expectations. I know I shouldn't have, but I do, because the teaser cut looks fantastic, fabulous. What are your theories, huh? What do you think the story is going to be? Because it says adventure, so I'm guessing there are going to be a lot of incidents that have been put together and an overall bigger arc. Like how the presence of this beautiful pup changes Charlie's perspective. Maybe Charlie is a person who just doesn't give a damn, and then because of this dog, it helps him change the perspective of life. That would be a great storyline. I mean, it'll be a very obvious storyline, but still it'll be great. If executed well, it'll be really a great storyline. So yes, that was my reaction to the teaser of 777 Charlie. This has made me extremely happy. So yeah, I am, like, with Rakshit Shetty being there, I am really excited to watch, because the last movie of his that I watched was Hero, and I love that movie. So yes, I have definitely I have hopes from this movie as well. So yeah, that was my reaction for today. I hope you've come till the end of the video and I've enjoyed this reaction. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.